Welcome back to my homemaking story. Do you notice that sometimes we let things sit far too long, maybe thinking somebody else will take care of it, and before you know it, that to-do is lost on your mental list and long forgotten? My fireplace has been a job I have let sit since the last fire was burned. It didn't even make my spring cleaning list. I guess part of me held to the thought that my husband would just handle it. I think I even mentioned it once or twice. Maybe 5 times, but who's counting? So many times we don't consider the strength we ourselves have to handle a job, even a messy one. Every now and then we remember that job which must be taken care of. Sometimes we allow this feeling to overwhelm us and anger us, blaming the person we think who should have made it a priority. With fall right around the corner, I've decided to stop waiting for him to take care of this simple yet messy job of cleaning out the fireplace. It feels great to just get it done myself, and by simply adding a few logs, it brightens the space and builds that anticipation for those cozy moments by the fire. Today I challenge you to check something off the to-do list that may not even be on yours, and feel good knowing you've lightened someone else's load. Last week I released my new channel trailer, and today I'm making it the feature of Walking in the Word. If you are new, I want to welcome you and hope you will consider subscribing to be inspired weekly to make the everyday beautiful. Come walk in the Word with me. There's something He wants us to remember. There's something He wants us to see. Just look. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress. My God, in Him will I trust. There are many things I don't do as often as I'd like to. We can let our day-to-day tasks keep us from remembering those things that bring us so much joy and fulfillment. When will that perfect time come to do what you love and enjoy? I must say, I think about painting more often than I actually do it. But when I'm painting and creating, I feel my best. Why then do I put this last? This week, I hope you will remember a lost love. Make time for creative play, whatever that may be. Better yet, make sure there is a space where you can display your craft so it helps you remember the joy that comes of it. This fall, I'm inspired to get organized. I have found a light cleaning of the fridge once a week, usually before grocery shopping, is the best way to keep it from getting out of hand. Today, I'm giving it some extra attention. Let's get organized this fall. What spaces are on your list? In today's portion of my Leading Lady wardrobe, I'm sharing what I've packed for a weekend trip with my mom. All three of these dresses are by Meets Glam. Some of my favorite features are that they have pockets and in lengths that make doing everyday activities very comfortable. I'm also choosing 3 different slips, all in lengths appropriate for each dress. If it isn't your goal to show the hem of your slip, be sure it is at least 1 to 3 inches above the hem of your dress. Since a slip is worn closest to the body and over undergarments, I like to make sure mine are clean before each use. If you are looking for more inspiration, head over to Patreon. In my latest videos, I'm talking about one of my favorite colors and my thoughts on polyester. I'm also sharing how my new wardrobe fared this summer. After my trip, I was a bit dazed and talked a little about this and also shared some of my favorite vintage finds. I'd like to thank O Wondrous Grace magazine for commissioning some of the artwork within my videos and on my stationery. Today's beautiful floral apron was handmade by Jennifer Ruther, a dear subscriber and patron. Thank you. A special thanks is extended to my brother Brian for his filming of Walking in the Word. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed and added to the conversation. Your words are such an encouragement and inspiration to me. This video is brought to you by our loyal patrons and everyone who has purchased from the Inspired by Nikki store. We thank each of you for making these videos possible. If you have yet to take a look at my new fall line and purchase your own set of stationery, the link is in the description box below. For more ways to make the everyday beautiful, be sure to subscribe and click on this video.